In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme color in Outlook. This process is quick and easy and will only take a few minutes of your time. Changing your theme color can give your Outlook a fresh look that's more tailored to your personal taste or work environment. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Outlook sign-in page. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and navigating to Microsoft's website. Once you're there, locate the Outlook section and click on Sign In. It's typically found right on the main page, making it easy to access. Enter your login credentials as prompted, and you'll soon find yourself in your Outlook mail interface. Now that you're signed in and ready to go, you'll want to head over to the Mail section of Outlook. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right place, seeing your emails and familiar interface. The next step is to find the settings, which is typically represented by a gear icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will open a menu with various options for customizing your Outlook experience. After you've clicked on settings, look for the section labeled General. This is where you'll find a range of options that let you tweak how things work and look in your Outlook. Don't worry, we're almost there. Once inside the general settings, find and click on Appearance. This is where the magic happens, where you get to personalize the way your Outlook looks. Clicking on Appearance will reveal several options, one of which is Color. This is the setting that allows you to choose from a palette of theme colors for your Outlook. Here, you can select a color that best suits your mood or aesthetic preference. Simply click on the color you want and your selection will be highlighted. Finally, to make sure your new theme color is applied, look for the Save button. It's crucial to click Save, otherwise your changes won't take effect, and the theme will revert back to the previous color when you leave the settings page. Once saved, navigate back to your main Outlook view, and you should see your chosen color beautifully displayed throughout the interface. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Outlook theme color. This quick customization can enhance your user experience, making your email management not only functional, but also visually appealing. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you decide to change it again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.